Yes, I am proud of being a Bharatiya Janata Party worker because I have completed 45 years today. I joined Bharatiya Janata Party in 1980, this day, April 6th April day. And I have completed this 45 years in this party. I am feeling proud of being this in this party and its ideology, and it is being proved by the activities, and people also accepting it. That is what I want to say this.
Right. You were saying about you were sharing an experience about the work.
Yes.
So, how do you see when the bill will be completely implemented
Because
across the country? What will be the response from the Muslims?
That Muslims, Muslims are distributing sweets because they got the freedom. Actually, they got now the freedom because the property is there now. These all properties are there, and they can enjoy. They can build their schools, colleges, hospitals, anything for poor people. It can be useful, and they can go to the mosque and they can pray, which is located in Waqf property. Previously, they were prevented because they are poor.
Right.
Now,
Leaders from the government have met a meeting on this issue. Now they are planning to approach the Supreme Court on the very same bill. So
no,
how
that
do-
always.
BJP reacts on it.
No, that they let them. They have the freedom. Let it be. But one should.
It doesn't matter for BJP that will.
Eh?
It doesn't matter for them.
No. We have done the right thing. What is the problem?
सच्ची और निष्पक्ष खबरों के लिए हमसे जुड़े और YouTube पर मार्कोर INS को सब्सक्राइब करें और Facebook पर इंडियन न्यूज सोर्स को फॉलो करना न भूलें और हमें अपने समर्थन की ताकत बनाएं।